In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments in Figma. Whether you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow or simply need a distraction-free work environment, knowing how to manage comments in Figma is essential. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Once open, simply type Figma into the search bar. Hit Enter, and the first result should direct you to Figma's official website. Click on that link and you're on your way. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a member, enter your credentials and click the login button. It's always a good idea to ensure that your login details are handy to make this step as seamless as possible. After logging in, you should see your dashboard, which contains all your projects and design files. Now, let's get to the main event. Click on the design you're currently working on or the one where you want to manage comments. This will open the file and bring the interface to your screen, featuring various tools and options that Figma offers. Next up, find the comment icon. It looks like a speech bubble and is typically located in the toolbar at the top of your screen. This icon is your gateway to viewing and managing comments on your design. It's important to familiarize yourself with this icon, as it's a key element in navigating Figma's collaborative features. When you're ready, click on the comment icon. This action toggles the comment mode on or off. When it's on, you'll be able to see all the comments made by collaborators on your design. This is useful for collaboration, but if you find it distracting and want a cleaner workspace, you'll probably want to hide these comments. Last but not least, let's refine this process further. In comment mode, you'll notice additional options like View Options or a Filter Settings icon. Clicking on this reveals a menu where you might see a Comments option. By deselecting or unchecking this option, you effectively hide any comments, allowing you to focus entirely on your design without visual clutter. Remember, this action doesn't delete the comments, it merely hides them from view, and you can enable them whenever you want to review any feedback provided. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently hide comments in Figma. This simple trick can help optimize your workflow, making it more productive and less cluttered. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more features in Figma that can enhance your design process. Until next time.